In this video I'm going to show you how to send auto-reply messages on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your settings and here select Focus. Then you need to select driving. If you not get driving in that list, tap on that plus icon here and from the suggested options select driving and then driving will appear in that list. Then select that, turn it on and then select auto reply. Here you can select who will get auto reply messages like no one, recents, favorites or all contacts. By default it's set to favorites. You can switch it between these options. No one means that auto reply function will be disabled. I'll select all contacts and here I can change that message. The default message is I'm driving with focus turned on. I'll see your message when I arrive at my destination. I can tap here and change that text. And now what to do to enable driving mode? Just swipe down from the top of the screen, not down but top right corner to open up control center, and here I see that driving is on. I can tap on that and select any other focus status like personal, work, sleep or do not disturb. I can select any other focus status or I can just tap on the driving to turn it off. That's it, that's how it works and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.